Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your health insurance coverage with Cigna, beginner guide step by step clearly. To verify your health insurance coverage with Cigna, first, gather your personal information. You will need your Cigna member ID number. Have your social security number on hand as well. Next, visit the Cigna website. Look for the login button at the top right corner of the home page. Enter your username and password to access your account. If you don't have an account, click on Register to create one. Follow the prompts to set up your account using your personal information. Once logged in, navigate to the Coverage or Benefits section. Here, you will find details about your insurance plan. Review your coverage types, including medical, dental, and vision. If you have any questions, locate the Contact Us section of the website. Choose the appropriate contact method, such as phone or online chat. For a quicker response, consider using the customer service phone number. When calling, provide your member ID to verify your account. Ask specific questions about your coverage or any recent changes. After verifying your coverage, ensure you understand your copayments and deductibles. Keep a record of important information regarding your coverage. This will help you in future healthcare decisions. Remember to check Cigna's website regularly for updates on your plan. You can also download the Cigna mobile app for easy access to your coverage information. With these steps, you can confidently verify your health insurance coverage with Cigna. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.